The last group of rocks are called metamorphic rocks. And metamorphic rocks are formed from pre-existing rocks which are altered by high heat and pressure. Usually in the earth, it's from burial deep within the earth. But it can also be through volcanics or other ways that we can heat up the rocks to really intense temperatures and then create new minerals and new textures within the rock. So today we're going to attempt to create a new metamorphic rock from our pre-existing rocks here. We've got our bear stone, we've got our worm stone here, and we've got our s'moresite over here, which is a nice combination of marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bury these deep within the earth on this plate and create a new rock. We've got this nice hard graham cracker. Got to have a good base for it. A little chocolate. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply heat and we're going to apply pressure. Now, in a kitchen, applying heat and pressure at the same time, it's a little difficult. We could have used a pressure cooker, but you know, well, that wouldn't be that much fun now, would it? So we're going to do it a little more inventive way. And we've layered these rocks like a sedimentary rock, where we have different layers of things on top of each other. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to apply some heat. The way we're going to do that is using the microwave. So let's heat this thing up. See what we're going to get. Now that we've added some heat to our rocks, let's pull them out of the microwave and then add a little pressure. The pressure is an issue. We need to add some pressure. And I think the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to actually put a little human pressure on this. Put this in place like so. Put this plate up here. I really want to get a lot of pressure on it. And I think I'm a big guy. Why don't we do this? Alright. Just going to stand up here and... The more pressure that we add, the more we can deform those different rocks, and now that they're hot, they'll mutate and mix and fold and disfigure themselves into something completely different. Okay, good enough, I guess, for demonstration's sake. Get down here without killing myself. Let's see what we have. Hopefully, something that looks like a gooey metamorphic rock. The gelatin and the corn syrup within the candies is like a lot of minerals that at fairly low temperatures and pressures melt and move around within the rock, almost forming a cement. And if you can see here, we've got the graham cracker, which pretty much stayed the way it was. And then we've got new layers of marshmallow and candy that in a natural metamorphic rock, you can see these folds and gooey shapes. That obviously this rock was under such intense heat and pressure that the rock itself looked something like this. It was a gooey, hot, very big mess is what it was. So metamorphic rocks are interesting in that you can take pretty much anything and make one, as long as you have a lot of heat and or pressure. So today we've looked at the three basic rock types. Igneous rocks, which cool deep within the earth from magma or in volcanoes at the surface. Sedimentary rocks, which form from the erosion of pre-existing rocks and redeposition as sediment, or from biological activity, or from precipitation in water. And metamorphic rocks, the third type, formed from pre-existing igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks, which are buried deep. Intense heat and pressure causes them to change into a completely new rock. So, guys, thank you, and keep rocking out in your kitchens.